So I've had this idea of making just my own rocks. So I bought this rock mold from this company called Woodland Scenics. They have a million different silicone molds like this. This one just feels like a good one to kind of start off with. So I'm gonna make some, I guess, forms out of some quickcrete. Um, Basically got a empty cup for the concrete, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of water, little by little, and just kind of mix it up and let it sit. Maybe about 24 hours, let it kind of set, and then pick the piece out. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'm not gonna fill it all the way up. I'm just gonna get maybe about an inch in. It's about 2 inches of depth almost on the lowest parts of these. So I'll probably get about 1 inch of the quickcrete in there. Let it dry for 24 hours. Pull that piece out, kind of turn it on its side, pour more, and kind of create this almost like a fully enclosed rock out of this mold, little by little. And yeah, just curious about what the outcome will be. So yeah. I know normally for any like concrete work, you can essentially use something like something that just vibrates to be able to get all the air bubbles out once it's in the mold, but it's nothing serious like that. Actually, in striving for some imperfections, because rocks are just they just come out of the ground just in a, I guess, just a natural way. So I'm not looking to really do that. I'm just looking for good consistency. Maybe not even like a more pasty one. I'm looking more for a more of a slurry or a slip, you would say, consistency. That way I can, if it crumbles a little bit, that's fine too, because some rocks aren't as hard. So that'd be perfectly okay. This is all an experiment I'm really just working on anyways. Runny enough or not runny enough, but I'm gonna keep going. Just incorporating it really well. Make sure I get the very, very bottom. I've used quickcrete before. I used it in one of my like old projects, maybe from like 3 years ago, 4 years ago now actually. But I sifted all of the thicker pieces of it, and it made a really smooth cement slab, which is super nice. But yeah, if anything, this isn't anything like that, so I'm actually gonna keep the bigger pieces in there. I think that should be okay. Just pour some in here. I didn't take the little packaging off, the little wrapper, because I forgot. Pour it into the next one. I think if I wanted to do something a little more I guess, solid, I would add less water, and also maybe add what would be an equivalent of rebar, would be more like paper clips, I guess, to join the pieces together. So once I pull them out, of course, you know, kind of making it a 3D, more like a spherical rock shape, I guess, out of all these chunks little by little. Hard to explain, it's hard to kind of bring to words, I guess, but and I've been really lousy about showing results maybe of like the things I've been working on here, and I can't promise that I'll probably have an end results video or something, but just going for it. But yeah, something like this here. Can't really see it. It's still kind of moldable, but not quite. But yeah, that's pretty much it.